Hey folks, how's it going? So as you know, my name is Jesper, and today I'm gonna try to build an igloo for the first time. Um, I've never done it before. I've done some research online, uh, so we'll see how it goes. Couple of things. I've got my shovel right here, right? And unfortunately, I couldn't find a saw. A saw would be great if the snow's really hard, because I could just cut it out. But I don't have a saw, so that sucks. However, I got the scraper from the car, so we'll see if that's sharp enough to cut through frozen snow. So we'll see if that works. If not, if there's softer snow, I'll try to pack it in this recycling bin, right? A big box, and then put them together. So today I'm expecting soft snow at the top, and then gradually as we go down, it'll be harder and harder. So it'll be interesting to see what we're working with. Also, I know there's a lot of physics involved in building an igloo. Check it out. And that's not my forte, so we'll see how I'll go with that. So I'm gonna try to build it in the corner back here, but first to make a path to the corner. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna try to make blocks out of the snow that I'm digging out, so I'm not double handling. All right, see how it goes. So as you can see, it looks like the snow is really soft all the way through. So I'm gonna start shoveling it, put it in the bin, and then just make blocks out of it and go from there. Alright, so I've reached the second layer, or the second level kind of thing. My camera turned itself off halfway through building that. But what I started doing is I started cutting some snow, because I found some snow that was semi-frozen, so that has sped up the process a bit. So you can see here some of the pieces. The second level is made from pieces that I've cut, and then I've added with fresh snow in between in the crevices. So now I'm gonna start on level 3. So before we start the third layer, the third level, I'm gonna pour some water on it to help it solidify. I don't know if that's a word, solidify. Hopefully it is. But yeah, hopefully that helps.
It's quite a neat work.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? It's cold.
It is.
Are those gloves on?
These are good, yeah. They're pretty good.
What kind are they?
Pardon?
What kind of gloves are they?
I don't know, like ski gloves, I guess. Because those, like, if you get them wet, right, you feel it.
Yeah.
These, I'm just pouring water on it, and it's like fine. So,
And the hands stay warm?
yeah. So, yeah, get a pair of those. Ask for ski gloves, and I'm gonna see what type of material they are, right? And I can pour water on it, and it's fine. So, because they're made for skiing, right? So, yeah, they're pretty good.
Probably try and get
Yeah, get.
something like that, because my hands, the tips get really frozen.
Oh yeah. No, get a pair of these for sure. Sport checks.
Okay.
Yeah, notice. You too.
Justin's building an igloo.
Oh, nice. Snowball Friday stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it's looking pretty damn good so far. Yeah.
Alright, it's 4:30 now, getting dark, so I'm gonna head inside. I'm having trouble with the slope. It's tricky. I've tried to prep some blocks up and then get a slope going, but it's not easy. I'm gonna do a bit of cheating for tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get some blocks out, maybe pull some down, we'll see. And hopefully tomorrow morning I'll have some blocks ready that I can just chuck them on there, you know. So we'll see. End of day one. 6 hours of work. Alright, so day 3, it's plus 2 degrees. Remember it was minus 15 on day 1, so today the snow is very, well, you can tell. Listen to that. So I mean, it's good for building, but I think the whole thing sunk. So what you didn't see is me adding the last layer up here. So that's from pretty much last night, and this morning I just built blocks with the recycling bin over there. So yeah, so get in there, I guess. And now I'm gonna try to cut a hole right here so I can crawl in and work from the inside as well. Alright folks, so it's the afternoon of day 3. I don't know if you could tell, but I was a bit discouraged, you know, in the morning of day 3 and day 2 as well. But today, I mean, the last hour and a half has just gone by. It's just flown by. If you have a look over here, it's like plus 2 Celsius, and the snow is just super sticky, which is not great if you want to go skiing, but if you want to build stuff, it's amazing. I'm going to show you quickly what I've been doing today. So, in comparison to day 1 and even day 2, I just filled it up with some snow, real sticky stuff, like that, and then stomp down on it, and do that for a bit, and that creates a perfect cube for whatever the shape is I'm good at shapes. So I've done maybe 30-40 today, just been smashing it out. You flip it, gloves off, look at that. This is the day. Alright folks, it's nearly done. I'll show you what it looks like inside now. You crawl through this hole, and then you look up. Oh, a little bit of light up there. So I think just one more piece up there, and that's pretty much it. That would be the last piece, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright folks, so the last piece is in. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. We'll crawl in and we'll look up. Oh, it's kind of light still, but it's up there, I promise. So now all I have to do is fill out all those holes. But I'm going to give you a brief tour of my mansion here. So this is what the inside looks like. Standing up, fully standing. Pretty cool, eh? And then we got some of these cracks that we have to fix, but top one's on. Gotta secure it. That's it. It's a wrap.